1 lakh rupees, okay. In that you want to do business, okay. So one business you are having 1 lakh rupees. See, one business requirement is 60,000, other business requirement is 30,000, and one more business requirement is say 25,000, okay. If you have 1 lakh, you can choose only 60,000 and 30,000 to, right, because you have only 1 lakh. Third you cannot choose. You understand? So the same logic here. So when you are having several business opportunities, limited funds, how will you allocate the business? Which one you will choose? Are they capital ration, right? So in this problem, see, for easy understanding, I have written as lakhs. Okay, they are given in 000, right? So there are companies having 5 projects. Investment is 18 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 7.5, 6 lakhs. Net present value 7.5, 6, adella 7 point you cannot see from here. 7 lakhs, 7.5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, okay. Now, constraint is, there are 2 constraints. One is 30 lakhs is the maximum investment for the company. Second constraint is B and C are mutually exclusive, okay. Mutually exclusive andre meaning ಏನು? What do you mean by mutually exclusive? Literal meaning, English meaning ಏನು? Mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means if you choose one, you cannot choose other, okay. Either one, adhe mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means if you choose B, you cannot choose C. Which is given? B and C only, no? Yes. B and C. If you choose B, you cannot choose C. If you choose C, you cannot choose B. Now we have to find out which combination is best for the company, okay. So that is the logic, and this is a very, very important question. Every year it is being asked, okay. What's your name? Huh? Priyanka. Priyanka Humachagi. Right, let us see how it can be done. So what are all the combinations we can have? Okay, so you make column like this: feasible combination, outlay and NPV, okay. So you can A, B, C, D, E. Tell me what is outlay for A? Outlay means investment. Tell me. 18. B? How much?
15 lakh. 9 lakh.
Okay. C?
12 lakh.
D?
7 lakh
7.5.
50,000.
E? Okay. NPV, first one?
7 lakh 50,000.
Okay.
6 lakh.
Okay.
5 lakh.
Okay.
3 lakh 60,000.
Okay. 3. Okay. Now, this is individually available, right? Now we will see the combinations, right? Like this we should combine and see, okay. A plus B. Outlay will be 33. Okay. இது Can we make it? A plus B, can we do it? See, constraint. Error constraint is there. 30 lakhs is the maximum investment. Okay, so we cannot do. Do you understand this? Constraint is 30 lakhs we should not exceed investment. If you add A and B investment 33 lakhs ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Constraint ಅಂದರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, condition. Okay. You should not exceed 30 lakhs investment. See here it is coming 33. So it is not possible. You have money only 30 lakhs. How can you invest 33 lakhs? Okay? Then A plus C. Okay. Do you understand how I am doing? Now, we have done with the A. Okay. Now with B. Right? B and A already ruled out. We cannot do. B and C can we do? B and C we cannot do because mutually exclusive. Okay. I am writing only for you. In book it won't be available, right? B and C cannot be done as it is mutually exclusive. Then B plus D. Okay, like that you do, and also ABC, ACD, all combinations you make, right? You do on your own. But see that it doesn't cross 30. 30 lakhs, it should not increase. And also B and C should not be there. AC, AD, AE, BD, BD, BE, ಇದು ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ? ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ? See, we are recording the problem video, okay? So I will share it later after some time. Please wait. So finally what you have to do is, whichever NPV is highest for the particular combination, that should be selected. Okay. So please check. Hello, we are recording one video. In after a few minutes I will share it with you, or I will streamline and again do the problem. I will explain the problem to you. Anybody got the answer? ಇದಮ್ಮ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಾ? ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಯಿತಾ? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ NPV ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ತ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? 12,15,000 ಫಾರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್? ಓಕೆ, ತ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? B plus BD and okay, BDE have you done combination? BD 3 madri. Also do for 3 combination, because 30 lakhs is a constraint now. So do for 3 lakhs also, I mean 3 project also. Vinayaga, yours is correct. ಹಲೋ, ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ 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 ಓಕೆ 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 ಒಂದರ ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ. ஓகே சரி ரைட் இதில் தான் இருக்கேன் கிளாஸில் இருக்கேன் கிளாஸ் Okay, see, let us not waste our time. B plus D, you please tell me, B plus D, what is the outlay? How much? 11. Okay, B plus D, B plus E, 21 here, 9. Okay, right? C plus E. Next is C plus E. Investment 18. NPV. Investment NPV. Okay, any other combination possible? ADE possible? A about 30. Okay. ACD, adu not possible. Okay. And I think one CDE, BC mutual exclusive. CDE possible, I think. CDE add matrix. 19.5. Illi? Okay. See, you know how to make the combination. So I think only this much is possible. Right? You just check whether any other number is there. So, say the constraint is it should not exceed 30. That is accepted. And here it should be highest. Okay, check where is the NPV highest. Okay, so the best best combination is BDE, as it gives the highest NPV. This is a easy problem and usually you get it for 10 marks minimum. Adepa, as the NPV is highest for BDE combination, that should be selected. Logic nimige gottagಬೇಕು ಅದೇ. As the okay, now somebody come and live stream ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾರದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅದು? ಲೈವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಾ. If one more company they give, then it will become complicated. Complicated ಅಂದರೆ more combinations will come. Okay. Live streaming ಹಾಂ ಏನಪ್ಪ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.